Um, Potatoes! I got a cat over there. It's on the floor. So this is my little temporary setup for right now. This is basically an unboxing video. I have a little special guest off to the side here. Pretty excited to introduce him. So basically, I got a hoverboard. It's very fancy. It's like holographic. It's really cool. So basically I'm gonna unbox it right now. I just need a knife. Let me go get a knife. Don't do anything crazy with it. I can still see it. I got scissors. It's close enough. Alrighty. So excited. I just got this like today. It's supposed to be for my birthday. But or no, not my birthday, probably Christmas. I don't know. I was just like, hey, I'm gonna get you a hoverboard for special times. I was like, awesome. And she said I could open it. So I'm opening it. It's a very big boy. Open it. This is very difficult. So it hooks up to like an app or something, and you can like change the colors of the lights with the app. And it has a beginner mode, a medium mode, an expert mode. It's like self-balancing too. It's holographic. I don't know if I've mentioned that. I've done a couple takes of this video. So this is fun. Look at this. I get my very own hoverboard. I mean, me and my mom are gonna share it, but in this very second, it is mine. Alright. Which way does it open? There we go. Alright, what does this say? Never use near motor vehicles. Warning, like any riding product, this has inherent risk involved with use. Really? I totally haven't seen a little compilation of videos where people are like dying off these things. This bag is not a toy. Just so you know. We got the operation manual. Go ahead and read that. We got how to hook it up to your phone. Man, I just want to see it. Got some outlet stuff. I better keep these off to the side so I don't lose them. We got some styrofoam. Oh my god. Ta-da! It's like 200 pounds. Oh. Smells like new car. Alright. You guys like my decoration? My mom made this. The thing that says nice butt. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay. Oh, it smells nasty. Oh, it's got the teeth. So basically, this is my new hoverboard. Got some lights on here. It doesn't really work yet. What's that? It's a battery. Flipping it around. It's really heavy. Oh, what's that? It's got the plug-in thing. What is this? More instructions. Oh. Warning! For your safety, please read the entire user manual before operating. Okay. Guess I'll have to do that. What is this? Whoa. Whoa! Oh my god. Oh my god. That's crazy. Can I get on it right now? Will it work? Okay. Get out of the way, get chair. I don't know if it's gonna work if I just like put it down on the ground. I'm scared. Holy. I should move the camera over here. Okay. Oh my god. Holy crap. This is actually pretty easy. Oh my god. I think I'm on it backwards. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. This is awesome. Okay, bye. See you later. Whee! Should I be like wearing a helmet with this on? Oh my gosh, that's fun. Whee! I could do this for hours, except I'd probably puke. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I love it already. I didn't know it was gonna be like already like ready to go when I got out of the box. This is just gonna be how I'm constantly like that. Whee! Whee! That's kind of scary. I should. Oh. I think you have to step off with your right foot first, because that's how it like detects that you're on it. Time to go into the kitchen. Potato is terrifying. Alright, I don't know what just happened. So basically, yeah, I don't know what the hell just happened. But it's time to move to the kitchen. Okay, I'll be over there in a second. feel like I should be wearing a helmet. It's scary on the tiles, man. Oh, I'm not fucking back. Sorry, just trying to. It's so squeaky. So basically the way you control it is slightly moving your feet just like forwards or backwards. And then it like twists a little bit. Like in the middle. So you can just like twist your feet slightly. It's really sensitive. Hey, how's it going? This is gonna be my school pictures. Oh my god. Okay, so that's really fun. Also very dangerous. Be careful with these things. You could go bonkers. Look how long my arms are. Okay. Hi, welcome to my YouTube video. Oh, that was spinning. That's fun. Woo. Oh my god. Okay. So thanks for watching. If you want to get a hoverboard, just go on Amazon, look up hoverboard. If you just have a spare $300 or something, go ahead and buy one. They're pretty fun. You could do that every day, all the time. Thanks for watching my unboxing video. I give it a 5 stars. Real fun. Really easy to master too, apparently. I had no clue about that. I thought it'd take me like forever to be able to stand on it, but I'm doing fine. I mean, I haven't fallen over yet. I don't think so. Was that kind of as a fall? I was kind of already on the ground. It doesn't like that. So anyway, keep watching my videos. Maybe like the video. That'd be dope as fuck, man. Alright. Bye, frenzies.